Before creating purchase order in SAP S/4HANA, one small mistake in Material Master can break the entire process. In this video, we will do real-time hands-on Material Master creation in SAP S/4HANA MM. So let's start. To create Material Master, we use T code MM01 and path is logistic, material management and material master, materials and create. So choose industry. Our industry is VMart industry and material type is VMart raw material. Select all and tick basic data 1, purchasing, general data, accounting 1, MRP 1, MRP 2, MRP 3 and accounting 2, costing 1, costing. Continue. Give plant name. Our plant is VMPP and storage location. Our storage location name is VMS1 and continue. Once we press enter, the system assigns a number 114. This number is our material number. So let's start with basic data 1. So in description, I'm going to define VMart chana dal, and base unit of measure kg and material group. Our material group is VMPLG. And next EN category. So EN category is I'm going to give E5. So EN category means article number, European article number. E5 is an SAP predefined code used for retail products to manage barcodes and inventory. Press enter. C. EN UPC number is generated and enter. So in purchasing tab, the material description, plant, base, unit of measure and material group will appear automatically because we already enter and save this detail in the basic data 1 views. So I'm going to give purchase group. So here is purchase group and our purchase group name is VP1. Okay, VP1 purchase group and purchase valuation key is VS. Enter. So purchasing view in MM01 define how a material is purchased, order and managed from vendors in SAP. And next is GR processing time. I'm going to give 4. So GR processing time means if the material reaches the plant, the system needs some time for quality check, documentation, system posting. That time is called GR processing time. For example, material received 10 Feb, GR processing time is 2 days. Material available for used on 12th Feb. So, and next is source list. Just tick. So, if source list is ticked, you can create a PO only from approved vendors. Okay, enter. And next is general plant data storage 1. Here I'm going to give maximum storage period 8, minimum remaining shelf life I'm going to give 4, and time unit I'm going to give month. Month. And total shelf life I'm going to give 12. So here maximum storage period means the maximum time a material can be stored before it expires. After this period, the material is no longer usable. Next is minimum remaining shelf life, means the minimum shelf required at the time of goods receipt. If remaining shelf is less, GR is not allowed. Next is time unit. Define the unit of time for shelf life. Example, day, month, years. And total shelf life means the total usable life of material from production date, commonly used for foods, pharma and chemicals. Next is accounting 1. Here material description, plant, valuation class, total stock, basic unit, price determination. The system picked this automatically as it was defined earlier. So I'm going to define standard price. So I'm going to give 200, and per unit price I'm going to give 500. Per unit 1, price control. There is two types of price controls, S and V. S means standard price, V means moving average price. So I'm going to give V. Project. Here project stock. Here our project stock is VMVC, and sales order stock VMVC. So standard price means fixed price of material commonly used for finished goods. Change only through price change with T-code MR21, used mainly with price control S. And next is per unit price, means price per base unit of measure, helps system calculate total value. Example, if price 1000 for 10 kg, per unit price equals to 100 per kg. System use this for valuation calculation. Next is per unit. So next is per unit, means refer base of unit measure. Example, kg, liter. etc. All pricing and stock valuation is based on this unit. Next is price control. So it defines how material price is controlled. S means standard price, V means moving average price, which means price changes automatically with every GR, common for raw materials. Next is value sales order stock. That is value sales order stock. Stock create only for specific sales order. And project stock means stock create for specific projects and used in project based industry. Next is MRP 1. So I'm going to give MRP type PD. Type and MRP controller, and next MRP controller. So MRP controller, our MRP controller is okay, no value selected. So to create MRP controller, we use T code OMD0. So slash OMD0. Click on new entries. Give plant name. Our plant is VM PP and give MRP controller. MRP controller VMR. I'm going to give VMR. Description VMR MRP controller. And receipt name Bhumi. Under Bhumi test TR. So here our MRP controller VM, PP and VMR. So just click. Lot size. So here lot size I'm going to give ES. Select ES and so here there are three types of MRP: PD, ND and VB. PD means MRP most commonly used, ND means no planning and VB means recorder point planning. Here the most three commonly used PD, ND and VB. And MRP type decides the planning logic. MRP controller used for monitoring, reporting and workload distribution. Means here MRP controller used for monitoring, reporting and workload distribution. And lot size procedure, it defines how much quantity should be proceed or produce. Common lot size procedure is commonly used lot size procedure is FX and HB. FX means fixed lot size, HB means no maximum stock level. Next is MRP2. So procedure type is E. Okay, we create procedure type F. Scheduling margin key. Our scheduling margin key so no value selected. So to create scheduling margin key, we use T code OMDC /O OMDC. Choose 0001, select and copy and change 000 to VMPP. Give your plant name, enter and save. Under Bhumi Test TR. So here scheduling margin key is VMPP. Goods receipt procedure time. Goods receipt procedure time is 4 days and plant delivery time. Our plant delivery time I am going to give 3. Enter. Next is MRP3. So in MRP3 available check we choose KP means no check, and next is and in accounting 2 no need to fill anything in real time, we need fill only as per client's requirement. In costing 1 with quantity structure, tick if not tick origin, material origin. Okay, next with quantity structure means it required for accurate product costing. Material origin means cost source analysis. Next is costing 2. So in costing 2, moving price 500 and standard price 200. Enter and yes. So material 114 created. So that's all for today's session. Next we'll learn about vendor master. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.